paper also you can do. Write with the marker CH, SH, NG. Very good, Sarah. What color star you need? Pink.
Ma'am, CH and NG and SH,
Pink
ma'am.
star for Sarah. CH, SH, NG.
Okay.
Very good, Nakshatra. What color star you need? Pink. Pink star for Nakshatra.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you are welcome.
You paying? Yeah.
Next, who finished? Yes, we finished.
Second, ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. What color star you need?
Orange.
Orange color. Orange star for Riyasri.
Thank you.
Yes, welcome. Yes, Kadambari, take your slate and write A to Z small letters, ma. Nitish also. It's very good, ma. Madhuvanti, what color star you need?
Pink.
Pink. Pink star for Madhuvanti.
Thank you.
Yes, you are welcome. Till Ilango, Adya Sharma, Adarsh. Shravanya, take your slate and write A to Z small letters, ma. Adarsh, you have joined two gadgets, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Audio
In
and
one
video.
device, audio is not working, ma'am.
In one device, you have to fully mute yourself. Even the volume also you have to reduce. Then only it will not echo. Adya, finish. Write fast, children.
Ma'am. So,
Very good, Ilango. Well done, Ilango. What color star you need?
What color star you want? I mean, Ilango doesn't want star.
Don't want a. Achacho. What happened? Very angry today. What mama scolded you?
Chalo, ma'am.
Mama scolded you?
I asked him to sit and write, ma'am. That's why he's angry.
Chucho, why Ilango? Okay, any color star for ma'am. Okay, come on.
Chalo, ma'am. Kids, chalo, ma'am. Enna color star?
Ma'am kaga. For ma'am you say, not for Ilango.
Ma'am, kaga
You
illa,
choose
ma'am.
any color star for ma'am.
Ma'am, kaga chalo, ma'am. Kaga or color chalo. Enna color?
Okay. Okay, what color ma'am likes? What color star will ma'am like? Ma'am என்ன color star பிடிக்கும் தெரியுமா? Pink. Ah, okay, fine. Then I'll take pink color star for myself. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, don't be angry, love. It's for your own good only, no? Don't get angry.
Say okay. I'm focusing, ma'am. Okay, still ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Adya, finish. Adarsh, Adya.
She's writing till P. P.
P. Let's see who is going to write fast. I am also going to write A to Z in my slate. Let me see who is going to finish before ma'am, okay? Very good, Nitish. Finish along with ma'am. Very good. What color star you need, Nitish? What color star?
pink color.
Pink color star. Pink color star for Nitish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Adya is having any doubts? You can look here and write. R. Shravanya. Yes, Kadambari, did you write small letters A to Z, ma?
Lightning man.
Right. Sorry, Shravanya. Finish it fast, ma Kadambari. Let's start our session. Come on, make it fast. Yes, those who have finished writing alphabet, circle only the vowels in that, ma children. Circle the vowels alone. What are all the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Circle the vowels. Circle vowels in your slate. You have written A to Z, right? In that itself, you circle vowels. 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Good, ma Nitish, Sara, good. A, E, I, O, U. Finish. Very good, ma Nimalan. Yes, good Nimalan. Good, ma Nakshatra.
Finish.
Yes. Good, ma Kadambari. What color star you need, Kadambari?
Pink.
Pink star for Kadambari. Adya Sharma, finish. Yes, welcome.
Yeah, she's doing vowels.
Vowels, okay. Yes, Adya, what color star you need? First, tell me that. Yes, very good. All of you, those who are finished, keep your slate down. It's fine. Stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Stand up, all of you. Kadambari Kidzi Anthem, okay? Kidzi Anthem.
Kiddy and Tom. You are me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potatoes in a sight. You are the wing. It is my fight. You define my view. My potatoes in the sight. Today's day is all my might. I shall achieve you. My potatoes in a sight.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, very good morning. Yes, unmute yourself and say good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, very good morning. Very good morning. Yeah, let me know who have never said Kidzi Anthem till now in the session. Who, Sarava?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. She has.
Sara, you said, I think. Is
Yes,
there
yes,
anyone
ma'am.
who never said Kidzi anthem in session?
No comment.
Nakshatra, you
Ilango.
didn't say?
No comment.
Ilango, Nakshatra, then who else? Other than Ilango and Nakshatra, everyone said, okay, children. Then you both of you memorize Kidzi anthem and let me know from the next session. If you are ready, you please let me know. I'll ask you to say Kidzi anthem in the session. Okay? Yes, okay, fine. All of you stand up, get ready for the warm-up activity. Get ready for the warm-up activity. Stand up.
Auto side. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, all have time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, all have time. Stop. Tiger, run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop.
Very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
Because yellow is dark.
చాలా పెట్టు.
Adya,
बोलो here I am, मैं लाती हूँ.
Very good, Adya. Ilango. Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin. Riyasri.
Yes, here. Here I am, Lilama.
Very good, Riyasri. Sara.
Here I am, Lilama.
Very good, Sara. Pranavi. Ravina. Srinija.
Here I am, Lilama.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Tilakar. Kadambari.
Here I am, Lilama.
Very good, Kadambari. Shravanya. 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 Okay, marking you, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Okay.
Nimalan.
Here I am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti. Very good. Yes, very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, children, are you all ready with your diagraph cutouts? CH, SH, and NG. Are you all ready? Yes, now ma'am is going to show you the pictures. You have to take the cutout and show it to me whether it belongs to which diagram. Okay, suppose if ma'am is showing you a chair picture, what diagram will you choose? CH. CH is ch, ch, ch. All of you show me a CH cutout. CH. Yes, good, Madhya. I saw what you have written. CH. Where is CH cutout, Madhuvanti? I told you to make, right? Out of 3 paper. CH, SH and NG. Okay. Next is sh means what diagraph you will take? ஷனா என்னம்மா எடுப்பீங்க? Means SH. Not NG, Sara. Means SH. A very good, Srinija. SH. Okay. And then sound means NG.
NG.
Sound. When you hear the sound, it is NG. Okay.
NG,
Now,
ma'am.
yeah, very good. Now I am going to present. Parents, whenever you write small letters and give it to them. Because in the question paper, small letters only will be given.
Okay, ma'am.
CH, SH, NG and all. When you write the next time, please continue it with the small letter.
Ma'am.
Okay, first. What sound is this, children? CH, SH or NG? Ch sound, sh sound or NG? Yes, take your cutouts and show it to ma'am. Which diagram? CH, SH or NG? CH. Very good. Well done. Okay, now the next picture is sheep. What diagram will you take? Sheep. Sheep. Very good, Srinija. Sheep. CH. CH Animalan. Sheep. Sh sound. SH.
He took correctly on
Sheep.
it.
Okay, fine. Okay, now the next diagram is chips. What diagram will you take? Chips. 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 Is what diagram did you take, children? Very good, Nimalan. Yes, Srinija. Nitish. Sara, what diagram did you take for chips? CH. Very good. Okay, next. Okay. What diagram will you take for this picture? Shark. Shark. Very good, Srinija. Shark.
Yes.
What diagram? Very good. SH. Good. Okay, now the next picture. What diagram will you take for this? King. King. What diagram will you take, children? King. King. What is the diagram? NG. Very good, Nimalan. NG. Good. Very good, Sara, Nitish. Good. NG. Very good. Okay, next is what diagram you will take for this? Shoe. 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 Yeah, good. SH. Shoe. Very good. Well done. Okay, next diagram. Sing. 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 Ing. Ing means what diagram will you take? Ing. Sing means what diagram will you take, children? Yes, NG. Very good. NG. Very good. Now keep your cutouts down. Very good, children. Now we are able to find out what is CH sound, which is SH sound, and which is NG sound. CH means ch, 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 ch. SH is sh. NG is ing. Okay. And next we are going to learn position words. Position words. Okay. Now tell me what the girl is doing here. What the girl is doing?
Playing.
In playing.
How she is playing.
The girl is in the box. Inna என்னது box குள்ள இருக்காங்க. In the box. The girl is in the box. Okay. And next, where is the toy? The toy is
On the table with that.
very good. The toy is on the table. Here the position word is on. On na என்னது டேபிளுக்கு மேல இருக்கிறது. On the table. And next, where is the man? The man is very good. Under the tree. Very good. The man is under the tree. Very good. Next, where is the dog? Very good. The dog is under the chair. Where is the word under here? Where is the word under? Can anyone spell the word under?
Tell it.
Under. Very good. UNDER. 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 Okay, here where is the position word in? In இங்க எங்க இருக்கு? In. Very good. IN. 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 In the box. Okay. And then here. The toy is on the table. Where is the spelling on? On. What is the spelling of on? What is the spelling of on? O-N. On. Okay. O-N. On. And next here, where is the under spelling? The man is under the tree. Where is the man? Where is the man? U-N. D-E-R, under. Very good. U-N-D-E-R, under. And next here, the dog is under the chair. Where is the word under?
Under the chair.
Under, U-N-D-E-R, under. In your assessment also, you will get like this only, children. In, on, under. Spellings will be given and the picture will be given. Identify the position word and then click the correct answer. Okay, fine. Under, U-N-D-E-R, under. I-N, in. O-N is on. Okay. And next, where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is sitting in front of the box. The cat is sitting in front of. I-N, in. F-R-O-N-T, front. O-F, off. In front of. Okay. Now, where is the dog sitting? The dog is also sitting in front of the kennel. In front of the kennel. Okay. And so that's it, children. As now, all of you take your English notebook. Take your English notebook. Okay. Now I want you to draw 3 color objects. An object which is green in color, an object which is red in color, and an object which is brown in color. Okay, 3 color objects you have to draw. Light green. You have to choose light green, children. Light green color object. What all will be in light green color? Think and you draw. Leaf. Yes. And then any green vegetable that is light green in color. And then red color. Red color means a tomato, apple, strawberry. And then brown color. What will be in brown color? Potato. Then donut. And then what will be in brown color? Think and you draw. Come on. This ma'am is also going to draw 3 color object today. Is first green color object. Green color I would like to draw. Light green, right? I would like to draw leaf. Leaf light green color and then red. I'm going to draw tomato. And then brown color. Brown color I'm going to draw. It is brown here. Potato. Yes, draw it and color it, children. Finish.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Nakshatra. Let me see your notebook. Deep. Where is your tomato and what have you drawn in red color? Yes. Yes, very good. Well done. Next question. Very good, Nimalan. Good. And then who else? Yes. Yes, ma. Finish. Very good, Ilango. Very good, Nitish. Very good, Kadambari. Yes, those who have finished, parents, I want you to copy down these words in their English notebook. Three words in a line. Number 1, R letter words. Number 2, C letter words. And number 3, D letter words. I'll be telling them the word. I have to circle the correct word. Write and give it to them. First line, 3 words. You have to write 3 words in a line with equal spacing. Rat, ran, rap.
I'm finished.
Very good. Sarah, read the first line words, ma. Read the words from the first line.
Correct.
Rat.
Red.
Next.
Correct. Tara.
Next one. R. H. Ran. Next one. Next one. Very good. Okay. Now the second line. Nimalan, read the second line.
இத ரீட் பண்ண
C words.
சரி ஏடி ஆட் இது என்ன சி என்னன்னு சொல்லணும் அடுத்தது
Cat. Very good.
அடுத்தது சொல்லு ஏய் எழுத்து கூட்டி படி அப்படியே கெஸ்ல அடிக்காத
Can.
அடுத்தது
Very good. Now the third line. Nitish, come on, read the third line. Very good. Bag. Next one. Bat. Third one. Bar. Bar. Okay. Now the next set of words. Copy it down, parents. Totally we have 6. Srinija, come on, read the first one.
P-A-T.
At.
Bat.
Next.
P.
An.
and
Pa and
bag.
very good. Next pa.
In
Ah,
pin.
very good. Thank you, Master Nija. Pa in pin. Madhuvanti, read the second one. Madhuvanti.
Yes, சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second line.
இந்த லைனை படி.
Ba.
The
Un. What is UN? UN என்னதுமா? Un. Ba un.
bun.
Bun. Next. S.
இந்த படி. இங்க படிடா.
Mm. Mm.
சரி, அவ்வளவுதான். She is playing.
She's playing. Then read. Come on. S. UN. Un. S. Un. Un. What is the word, ma? Okay, thank you, Madhuvanti. Next is Ilango.
Thank you.
Yes, try reading those words, ma. Ilango, read the word SUN.
This one. Read பண்ணு.
Yes,
இங்க
yes.
yes.
Yes, yes.
இல்ல மூ இங்க பா.
Yes.
Yes,
ம்.
you.
correct. Correct. Yes, you. அடுத்து
N.
Yes.
S. Un.
Un.
சரி ஓகே வேணும்.
S. Un.
Yes,
and. ஓகேப்பா. Yes, and. என்னது? And. Yes, and. என்னது?
Un.
Yes, and என்னம்மா? And with
Sun.
yes.
Sun.
Sun.
Okay. Okay. Kadambari, read the word RUN. Kadambari.
You will run.
Very good. Run. Run. Next line. B in.
Bun. Band.
Huh? B in.
Boo. Boo.
B in. Bin. Next.
Bind.
B it.
Bite. Bit.
Bit. B ig. Ig is ig. Ig.
Bite.
Ig. B ig.
Big.
Big. Big. Very good. Finish, parents. Copy down.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
children, take a crayon in your hand. Take a crayon or color pencil in your hand. Is ready? Okay, now circle the first word in the first line. Rat. Rat. Find the word rat in the first line, number 1. Rat. Only in those 3 you have to find out, children. Don't go to the second one, okay? First line la 3 word mummy எழுதிருக்காங்களா அந்த வேர்ட்ல இருந்து மட்டும் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Rat. Rat. Yes, very good. Finish circling. Thumbs up if you have finished. Yes, good, Srinija. Rat. Noun number 2. Can. 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 Number 2. Find it out in the second line. You have 3 words in the second line, right? From that you find out. Can. Can. Find out an and then you find out and can. And spelling, if you find out, you can easily find out can. Finish. Nakshatra, finish. Now the third one, number 3. Number 3, bag. Bag, 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 bag. Bag, bag. It ends with the sound g. Bag, bag. Bag, bag, bag. Fourth line. Check in the fourth line. Fourth line, pin. In pin. Circle the word pin. In pin. In pin. In எங்க இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க first. Find out in that line and then you find out pin. Now the fifth one, sun. 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 It starts with the letter un. Sun. Un. Sun. Un means un. Un. Sun. Now the last one, big. 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 Ig. I-G. Ig. Big. Big. Finish. Big. Big. Very good, Nitish. Very good, Nimalan. Yes, did anyone make mistakes in circling the word? Everyone did it correctly?
Srinija did 2 mistakes, ma'am.
2. What was that?
Can and pin.
That's what I said. And find out and then you find out can. I told you, right? Last 2 words, and.
Where is and?
And what is the spelling of and? A-N, and, right? Now can, ka and can.
And ekkundi? Ka indulo.
And.
ఈ 3 letters lo ka and ekkundi?
And. See the word and, ma. And enga irukku parunga.
Idi an and. Ka and can.
That's it.
So you did a mistake. So this is the right answer. Okay?
That's what. 2-letter words, you have to be thorough, ma Srinija. Okay? And, A-N. At means A-T. In means I-N. Okay?
Pin. In pin. So ఇది correct answer.
In. Find out where is in and then in pin. Next, who else made mistakes? Okay, Srinija? Just you observe the sound, Kanna. When you observe the sound, you will do it correctly. Okay? Yeah, very good, everyone. Everyone did it correctly. Well done. Big round of applause for you, children. Today you are having your language assessment, right? Both Hindi and Tamil. Okay, do well. All the best for you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Yes, bye, children. Bye, everyone. Bye, ma.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye. Bye, everyone.